Howdy partner. So you want to learn how to make a Toro personal pace mower go faster? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you how to make the self-propel feature on a Toro personal pace mower go faster. So if you have one of these personal pace mowers, it is an absolutely phenomenal lawnmower. I've been very happy with it. It's actually the second one I've had. But over time, it gets incrementally slower with the personal pace when you're walking behind it. If you're watching this video, you probably already have one of these mowers, you kind of know what I'm talking about. So I was over at somebody's house the other day. I tested their personal pace mower and I was like running behind the thing. And I remembered when ours used to do that, but now it's slowed down. So it's a very, very simple fix. If you want to go from walking slow and steady like this to walking fast like this, then go ahead and check out this adjustment. So come on in. The adjustment is very, very simple. On some of the older models, there was a bolt. Now they've got a knob. And the instructions were here, but as you can see, this is all wiped off. So Toro thought forward, and they actually put a QR code here to where if you go ahead and you find your phone and you tap this QR code that I just had, it'll take you to specific Toro instructions on how to adjust the pace on the rear-wheel drive personal pace mower or the all-wheel drive. But you don't need to go to our website. Mr. Greg's gonna show you right here. Basically, you just loosen this knob and you're either gonna push it down to make it go faster or you're gonna pull it up to make it go slower. You want this thing to have pretty good tension but not be super tight to where when you start it, you don't want it to just take off, but you also don't want it to be too loose. Over time, it just loosens up. You do that. The other thing that could be wrong if that doesn't work is a belt, but most likely this is all you need and it'll keep it going fast like in the video we just showed you. One more time in slow-mo, you're gonna loosen this knob and then you're gonna adjust this cable either down towards the motor or up towards the handlebars. If you push it down towards the motor and create a little more length to this line, it's gonna make the mower go faster. If you push it up towards the handlebars, it's gonna create more slack in here and it will go slower. So you probably wanna pull it down and then re-tighten. It's very easy to adjust. Hope this helped you out. If it did, go ahead to the bottom right, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate the subscribes, also likes and comments. And remember, with all the videos on Mr. Greg's How To, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.